Have you ever worried about the security of your online payments? You're not alone. In a world where digital transactions are the norm, protecting your money and personal information is more important than ever. That's why today we're diving into a deep dive on Paysafe and its security features. Paysafe is a global payments company, and security is a core part of its business model. They use a multi-layered approach to fraud prevention, combining sophisticated technology with strict compliance standards. For instance, they are fully PCI DSS Level 1 certified, which is the highest level of security standard for handling credit card data. This means they've implemented a comprehensive set of security measures to protect your information, from data encryption to regular security audits. One of their most well-known products, Paysafe Card, offers a unique level of anonymity and protection. Since it's a prepaid solution, you're not linking it to a bank account or credit card. This is a game changer because you can't have your financial data compromised if you never had to enter it in the first place. You simply buy a Paysafe card with cash or other means and use the 16-digit code to pay online. It's like using digital cash, and it's a powerful tool against fraud. Paysafe also uses advanced fraud detection tools. Their systems are constantly analyzing transactions in real time using things like device fingerprinting, IP geolocation, and machine learning to identify and stop suspicious activity before it can even happen. They're even exploring cutting-edge technology like quantum-enhanced fraud detection to stay ahead of the curve. Beyond the technology, Paysafe has a dedicated fraud prevention department that works closely with authorities to protect users. They also have a comprehensive customer service and support system in place to help you if you suspect any fraudulent activity on your account. The key takeaway is that while Paysafe provides a robust security framework, it's a shared responsibility. Always be vigilant. Treat your Paysafe card pins like cash, only use them on authorized sites, and be wary of anyone asking for your personal information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.